Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change icon color PowerPoint. We will open PowerPoint to see the icon to be modified. Then select this icon. There, open the menu, Graphics Format. From the option Shape Fill, select the new color to use in your icon. After this, display the option Shape Outline to set the color of the icon line. Again, from Shape Outline, set the width of this line from Weight. To finish and give it a more elegant appearance, open Shape Effects and you will have various effect options for your icon. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.